Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss. Today we are in St. Anne's, close to Ocho Rios, looking at this new mega construction in the White River Valley area. So that's what we're taking a look on today. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to like the video, leave a comment, and share as well. So this is a mega construction. It has been under construction for a while, right here in St. Anne's, close to Ocho Rios, White River area, close to Prospect as well, in St. Mary. So we're just taking a first look, and we're also going to set up the drone, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so I was told that this is a BPO, a call center being constructed. That's not confirmed based on the person that told me. So if you guys know any other details on this construction or what is coming over here, let me know. I know you guys always, you know, provide information because each person knows somebody. So if you know what's coming over here, let me know. As I said, I was told it's a BPO, but let's see if we can confirm that. We know most BPO are in Kingston, Portmore, Montego Bay. So they're also trying to spread them out just to give, you know, every young people from every parish, you know, more opportunity to have a job, rather than in some case they have to travel very long distances as well. So stay tuned for the drone video, and again, this is a first look. Alright, so I'm gonna get closer, give you a front view. And again, you know, it's the Discover Boss, always bringing you guys the new construction and the latest updates as well. So there's not a lot of details posted on the perimeter, but it is a massive complex. Lots of glass used in the construction. Let me know what you guys think about the design. It's a big building, very big. And again, if you guys have any details on it, let me know as well. So work is still ongoing, and it seems as if they're making a multi-level parking garage. That's what I would assume. But once I set up the drone, we'll be able to see some aerial shots of the property as well. So, massive construction. Alright guys, remember to leave your comments, remember to like, remember to subscribe, and remember to share. So we'll be going up with the drone shortly. So I guess this will be the main entrance right here. Has a security post. Looks like 1, 2, 3 floors, and then they may have another rooftop area. So in total, I guess it's gonna be 4 floors, and then parking. Alright guys, so let's work on some drone shots.